people, so this is the room that we are in, and this place is called MJ Hostel, and we are in Gokarna. So this is how it looks, and it is 10:30 in the night, and we've had a crazy busy day today. So I'm about to crash. So I just thought, no, but there'll be there'll be some fireside something right now, but my brain is just stopped functioning. So I think we'll let's see if I can do some recording there, because there's even my phone battery goes dead, just like the rest of me. And we have to wake up tomorrow and be ready by 6 to go for this, to visit the Mukuteshwara temple. So that is interesting. It's got the biggest meditating statue of Shivji in South India. I think it's by the sea, so it's very beautiful. So this is in Gokarna, Kolkata. Kolkata, kya? What am I saying? Karnataka. See, I'm so tired. So this is how the room looks. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.